Hello guys, today I have got the VIVO X300 FE and I am going to show you how you can easily customize the home screen in your device. We have actually many modes, many options to customize our home screen. And how to do that actually? You need to first, of course, be in the home screen section. Now hold your finger in the background. As you can see, here I've got the first actually thing that pops up is Bunch Organize. Pin or tap and hold a blank area to enter edit mode and organize icons. We can tap next, got it. And now, as you can see here, we've got wallpaper, system style, widgets, and settings. Apart from that, we can switch pages. And now here, shape to organize icon on this page. We can do this just for fun. I don't know why it's not working for me, as it should, but that doesn't matter. Here, apart from that, we've got this icons, and we can tap on each icon to create new folder or remove it from the screen. Apart from that, we can drag them around the home screen to place them anywhere. Apart from that, here we've got wallpapers, and we can of course edit our phone with our wallpapers from the wallpapers application. So let me, for example, select this one, download, apply. Now it's applied. We can go back, and as you can see, now we have our background green. Here we've got system style. It can be either system and app UI color, so we can either adjust it based on our wallpaper. Here we can pick our color or select some basic color, as you can see. Here we can apply color to icons also. Here we can measure our icons, like it can be either rounded or more like squares, and apply system around corners to icons. As you can see, now we have a slightly different menu rather than previously. And here we've got widgets also. Here we can of course add widgets from many applications, like such as, for example, clock, weather, health, music, calendar, many of them, and you can just tap and here add. As you can see, it's here added. And one final option is settings, of course. We can edit home screen style, like we can switch to the standard style or drawer. As you can see, now we have the standard style, and we can switch to drawer, like this up drawer. Here, switch, back again. And here we've got home screen layout, which is the size, as you can see, of the home screen, like the applications, and tick icon to confirm. Here, sliding effects. We can select sliding effect, like for example, shift, fade, overlay, bounce, etc. You can check it out by yourself. Lock layout. Here we've got the dock. We can enable show background for the dock or disable it completely. Here we've got icon autofill, shake to arrange icons, which I don't know why it didn't work for me. Google Discover, which is, as you can see, this thing. And I can't go back now. Wait a moment. Settings. And here we've got swipe down on the home screen, notifications under control center, which is, as you can see, this thing. Here, like this. It works. And we've got another option, which are icon badges. We can switch either to numbers or here just a simple dot. Or of course we can disable it at all. So that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Goodbye.